Today we're taking a look at a hallway system installation for a single-level, climate-controlled self-storage facility in Ackworth, Georgia. In this video, you'll see the delivery and unloading of the system components, the assembly of the made-to-order system, and the final result, fully installed and ready for rental. While the exterior of the building is being constructed, the Boxwell hallway system arrives on site. The doors, walls, and finishes of the system are carefully packed, preventing damage during transit. This is a large facility consisting of over 550 roll-up doors and 55,000 square feet of rentable space. One by one, the ocean containers are unloaded, and the product is carefully staged in preparation for Phase 2. Despite the large scale of this project, manufacturing of the components was completed at Boxwell-owned facilities in just 22 days. Now that all the components are delivered, it's time to start installing the hallway system. Building 10,000 square feet of rentable space per week, the Boxwell team completed this install in just 40 days. Our systems are fully customizable, down to the finishes and door colors. They are tailor-made to maximize space in any new build or building retrofit. In 13 months, this vacant land was transformed into a fully operational Class A self-storage facility. The Boxwell hallway system converted 80% of the 70,000 square foot interior into revenue-generating storage. Thanks for watching. To learn more about Boxwell hallway systems, contact us today.